In 1958, one of the Polish film studios placed an advertisement in the press that they needed a Tiger tank for film production, and they pay a lot for the tank. Two young Varsovians, after reading the advertisement, set out to search. They managed to track down and extract the tank. Unfortunately, to their disappointment, the Tiger turned out to be the Stahl 42, a German armored gun from World War II. Equipped with a 105mm howitzer, around 1,299 were produced by the end of the war. Unfortunately, the armored gun from Lake Lutersky remained on the shore and was dismantled for scrap. None of its elements have survived to this day. In 1998, in the vicinity of Smolensk, it was possible to track down and extract a German Panzer III tank. It was a medium tank. It was the most dynamically developed model serving in the German army. Produced from 1937 to 1943. About 6,000 tanks were produced. The excavated copy was in excellent condition because it was located in a swampy area. The original painting and markings survived. Unfortunately, the tank was partially exported from Russia, but the customs officers confiscated the turret. The fate of other parts is unknown. In 2002, a heavy Russian KV-1 tank was recovered from the Neva River in Russia, which in 1941 tried to cross the river and sank. The KV-1 tank weighs about 42.5 tons, which did not make it easy to extract from the almost 11-meter bottom of the river. Fortunately, the tank was on caterpillar tracks. It was created in 1939 in Leningradsky, Zaklady Kirovsky. It was also produced in the Chelyabinsk tractor plant in the total number of 4,786 copies of all versions. It was armed with a 76.2mm cannon. After extraction, it turned out that the tank is still armed with shells, grenades, and weapons. The tank has been renovated and moves on its own, taking part in various historical reconstructions. SDKZ-251, basic half-track armored personnel carrier of the German Army during World War II, on the basis of which numerous other combat vehicles were built. Produced from the beginning to the end of the war, in the number of about 15,000 copies, usually armed with two MG-34 machine guns. Found in one of the Polish backyards near the village of Kielce, the superstructure partly served as a chicken coop and a backyard cellar. SDKZ-251 went to the Museum of the White Eagle in Skarżysko-Kamienna and will be rebuilt to a running condition. Panzer IV German medium tank from World War II. Until the fall of 1942, it was the heaviest armored vehicle serving in the Army of the Third Reich. Produced from 1938 until the end of the war, about 9,200 copies were produced. The tank, abandoned by the Germans in the field workshop, lay for almost 50 years underground. The hull of the damaged tank was towed by the Russians and served as an anchor to pull out the Soviet T-34 tank stuck in the meadow. The Soviet tank went on and the Panzer IV stayed in the meadow. Over the years, it systematically collapsed in the wetland to the extent that only its rear part was visible above the ground. On the eve of extraction, someone tried to cut the marked wreck in honor, but the ammunition inside scared off scrap enthusiasts. In 1996, the wreck was excavated and went to the Museum of the White Eagle in Skarżysko-Kamienna. This is another vehicle that is being rebuilt in the local facility.